This is room 17 at Cour in Lyon. This is the standard room, which is quite lovely actually. I love how they set it up, even though it's a relatively small space. One thing that I will point out is that when you first come in, make sure you put your card in here, because if you take it out, you notice all the lights go out. This is a light switch, and then there are a lot of mirrors here. When you open this door, you push down on the handle right here and then come inside, and this is your water closet. We are in Europe, so of course you have big button, little button, and you know what to do with the two of those. On the other side, you're going to have your closet, which does include your luggage rack, as well as the robes and slippers for you to use while you're here. Don't take them home, they will charge you. There are plenty of hangers, which I do appreciate in this piece of it. And then below, you're going to have a drawer for some storage, if you'd like to put your shoes there or what have you. And then on the other side, you also have additional drawers. This has some of the information for laundry. It's got your shoe shine and your sewing kit if you need it. And directly underneath there is not a drawer, but you do also have your mini bar. This is a charged mini bar, so just be aware of that. And then directly above, there is also snacks. These are charged as well. The prices are very clearly laid out. That said, on this side, you do have bottles of water, both still and sparkling, as well as a coffee machine, so you can make yourself coffee or tea in the morning if you would like. Coming into the main part of the room, you do have a small seating area that allows you to kind of hang out, relax, enjoy yourself if you would like. There is a telephone that is here, and then there also are outlets, which I appreciate the fact that yes, there is the European outlet, so bring your adapter, but there is also a USB and a USB-C charger here if you would like to charge any of your devices and do not have your adapter with you. There is also a wastebasket here, and then on the flip side, you'll notice the water closet did not have a sink in there. They tend to be separate in Europe. Here is right outside the bathroom area. So again, this is where the closets were. Directly here, you've got a sink with both soap and hand lotion. They are lovely, they smell great. There is a mirror to get ready over it. And of course, you do have the magnifying mirror. So if you want to see any flaws, that is here for you. Directly underneath, you do have your towels as well as a wastebasket. And then notice too, you do have a hairdryer. And I will point out, this is not a brand that I'm familiar with. However, it is a good hairdryer. So you don't have to have the hair dryers that many hotels provide where they only kind of sort of dry your hair if you're someone who needs to dry your hair. What I will point out is that we are in Europe. They run on different voltage. So do not take your hair dryer from home and plug it into the outlet, even with an adapter, because you will burn out your hair dryer. Just don't do it. Use this one, or make sure that the one that you have has voltage for Europe. There's also Kleenex, and then down across from where the chairs were, next to the sink, you do have a safe. This I appreciate. It's a large safe. So you can fit a 17-inch laptop in here. You can fit all of your jewelry, wallets, passport, anything that you might need will fit in here. To use it, you're just gonna enter your 4-digit code and then press lock. And then to open it, you're gonna do that 4-digit code again, and that will unlock. You do also have 2 little cubbies on either side of this that allows you for more storage. And then if it were me, this is exactly where I would put my suitcase to keep that out of the way. I do love this outlook here. So this is your shower. So you're gonna come up here, and yes, these curtains right here on both sides do close, so you do have privacy if you'd like. If you don't want it or need it, you can leave them open to the room. This is a walk-in shower, and it does have both a rain shower as well as a handheld shower. There are 2 levels to the rain shower, inside and outside. I prefer to have them both on. It gives me a little bit better water pressure and coverage to wash my hair. There is shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I found the shampoo fine. The conditioner was a little bit drying, so depending upon how picky you are and how picky your hair is, you might want to bring your own, or you can use this. And then there is a bath flower, which I kind of love this. This is something that's unique. This is what they use in place of a washcloth. This is just, now I can't think of the word for it, but the little bath poof. So you can use that, and that is something new for every single guest, and I appreciate that. You do, of course, also have your towels, And then this has the open and close right here. So you can either open it, which again, keep in mind, those are windows right there. Those are people who can see in if you'd like, or you can close it while you're taking your shower. There is also a hook to hang your towel, and the shower does not go all those far across. So it is easy for you to put your towel there to get ready for when you are heading out. When you come back out, a couple more things I want to make sure I point out. One is that there is a full-length mirror right here, which allows you to have a place to get ready. And then also you do have your thermostat that allows you to control the temperature. Note that it is in Celsius, so know what temperature you like, but it's pretty easy control on this side. And then this is where we're heading upstairs for the bedroom. So if you are mobility challenged, just be aware that the standard room might not be what you want to book. You might want to book one of the other rooms in the hotel that gives you a little bit more flexibility. The stairs are wide, they're not super high, but if you struggle going up and down stairs, especially in the middle of the night, if you need to use the restroom, that's something just to keep in mind. So we're gonna head upstairs. And then here we have a king size bed for you to sleep in. The ceilings are not super tall, so I'm gonna say that I am about 5'8", and the ceiling is 2, maybe 3 inches above my head. So if you're exceptionally tall, just know you're gonna have to huddle a little bit and duck down, or again, this might be something where you wanna book a different room. It is absolutely lovely though. I really adore how they design these. There is of course your requisite television, and then on either side, you do have outlets right here. Those are 2 European outlets for you to plug in, as well as the lights. And then behind there, these are both bedtime reading lamps. They flick on and off pretty easily. And then there is an outlet or a switch behind there to shut off the main lights. So you don't have to get out of bed for that piece of it. And then on the other side, there is another outlet here. So this is your room tour at Cour in Lyon. This is in the Old City, and this is your standard room. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below.